Are you using the wrong abrasive and throwing away your profits? Let's find out if steel grit or steel shot is the real powerhouse for your production. Steel grit or steel shot. They may look similar, but choosing the wrong one could cost your business time, money, and surface quality.
Steel grit has sharp, angular edges designed to aggressively remove rust. Steel shot, on the other hand, has a smooth, spherical shape that cleans surfaces while creating a uniform finish. Choose steel grit for deep cleaning and surface preparation. Choose steel shot for shot peening and improving fatigue strength.
The right abrasive doesn't just clean metal, it improves productivity, quality, and equipment life. Still unsure abrasive fits your application?
Visit rotocastgroup.com and let our experts help you choose the perfect solution.